Good morning to you all. Today we'll discuss about Cartesian system and reflection of points. As you know that in Cartesian system, x-axis and y-axis they are perpendicular to each other. In the diagram you can see that vertical line is called y-axis and horizontal line is called x-axis, and the intersection of x-axis and y-axis is origin, and they are always perpendicular to each other. This is the basic concept of x-axis and y-axis. Now coordinate of a points. You can see here coordinate of a point. See, for representing a point we have to use always bracket. That means in bracket, first bracket x comma y, and this x is called abscissa and this y is called ordinate. You should remember this. If I'll give one example 2 and 3 and identify abscissa and ordinate, abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 3. So this is the way to identify abscissa and ordinate. Okay, now we'll discuss about a reflection. And reflection, you can see with respect to a line here, suppose this is P, you always get a reflected image of P, that means P dash, and the distance from this line of this image and the distance of this object from this line is always same. Suppose this is 1 centimeter, then definitely the distance also will be 1 centimeter. And one more thing you have to know, this line, that means this line is called axis of reflection. It's called axis of reflection or mediator. This line is called axis of reflection or mediator, and P dash is the reflected image of P. Now we'll know about invariant point. Invariant point, just a very simple concept for invariant point. I am giving here x-axis, y-axis, and I am giving one more point here, that is P. Now with respect to this x-axis, it will be here only because this P present on this line. So when any point, you can see this division, a point is called invariant point with respect to a given line if and only if it lies on the line. When a point present on a line, and we are going to ask that find out the reflected image of P, then this one only will be the result. Image of P, this P only. So this kind of point is called invariant point. Okay, now you can see here reflection of a point in the x-axis. You can see here a reflection of a point in the x-axis. In the very easy way we are going to calculate here. Suppose any point, it is given 2, 3, and with respect to x-axis you have to find out reflection of P. I am giving this is P. So with respect to x-axis you have to change the sign of y coordinate. Okay, y coordinate. For x-axis, in the x-axis you have to change the sign of y ordinate, but for y-axis you have to change the sign of x ordinate. So what will be the result for this? Again I am repeating here, with respect to x-axis, this the image of this will be 2, -3 with respect to x-axis, with respect to x-axis 2, -3. Okay, so this is